In this video, we'll cover adding packages to a bill of lading, then adding items to those packages using the SureShip console. For this video, we'll assume you've already identified what you're planning to ship, whether that's from customer orders, transfer orders, service orders, or a pick list created in a separate SureShip form. Select Pack Scan to display and enter packages for this bill of lading. Select the packaging from the package type drop-down list. Add as many packages as needed. You can also select bulk packaging to add multiple packages at once. Once you've selected your packaging, click Save. The grid below the packages shows what's in the highlighted package. To start, highlight the package you want to fill. Now you have a number of options to add items to that package. You can scan the items or select them from the list on the left. Or you can highlight the items from the list on the lower right and then click Add Item. Or you can double-click to add the item to the package. Or you can also drag and drop items from the list to the package. You can also have SureShip add all items at once, or you can have SureShip evenly divide the items amongst all the packaging. You'll notice a number of things happen as items are packed. The numbers for packed and remaining are adjusted. The items in the list to be shipped are highlighted in a different color. The weight of the package is automatically updated based on the weight in item maintenance. You can also connect a scale to capture the actual weight. Once you have everything packed, you're done and ready to move on to the next steps. Depending on your specific needs, before getting tracking numbers and generating labels, you may have optional steps for rate shopping, declaring value of a shipment, or other shipping options. Please note, you can unpack an item, remove a package, or cancel the entire process. These options will be covered in a separate video. An item can be set up to use its own packaging. SureShip calls it self-contained. This might be an item that has its own consumer packaging, like a computer monitor. And for those items, you simply place a shipping label on it and you're ready to go. Or you can place it on a pallet. Working with self-contained packaging will be covered in a separate video. And speaking of pallets, you can load a pallet with different packages and different items in those packages. This will also be covered in a separate video. To review, after you identify what you're shipping, you add packages individually or in bulk. Then you add items to those packages by scanning, selecting, double-clicking, or even dragging and dropping them. And you're ready for the next step in your shipping process. Thank you for watching.